Hey everyone! So I hope everyone had a great weekend because this week is going to be a little bit tough, I'm sorry to say. But we're continuing with proofs, like from what I graded and saw from all your quizzes. You guys did amazing. I'm so proud. I cannot wait. Hopefully proofs will not be that hard. So here is the proof that we are going to do in our mini lesson. I'm going to try to break it down for you as best I can. We'll see what happens. Alright, so first off, we all see I cannot draw very well because the picture on your notes will look so much better. But here is everything. Now, like how I said before, proofs give you a given and a proof. So our given here is saying we got a triangle, ABC, triangle. And we have line BD bisects angle ABC, and we have line AB is congruent to line CB. So, as always, guys, you always start with your given first. Now here we have a couple of givens. Some people like to get it out of the way. I like to take them step by step. So our first statement is saying we got a triangle, ABC. And our first reason, it's because it's given. It's a present, it's a puzzle piece, however you would like to think about it. So with that statement, we can't do anything else. It's just there, it's good for us. We just know we got a triangle. Our second given, it's saying line BD bisects angle ABC. 2. That's also given to us. It's a present. Now, if I look at my picture, yes, again, the picture on your notes will be so much better. It's saying this line is bisecting this angle ABC. Now, remember, bisecting means to cut in half. So this line is cutting this angle in half into 2 equal spots. This is when your annotating is going to come so in handy because it will be so helpful for you guys to see what we have. Now, so our third statement is saying angle CBD, that's a D, not a P, is congruent to angle ABD. And our third reason is definition of angle bisector. Now, a helpful thing to help us figuring out what we got, this statement and reason gave us an angle, one angle. So on the side where the letter is, where your number is, put a little A and circle it. That means we have an angle so far. Alright, so let's keep going. Because with this little puzzle piece, we can't go any further. We have our given, we have our statement, we have our reason. We can't go any further without making up things. We do not make up things in proofs. Our third given is saying line AB is congruent to line CB. Given. It's a puzzle. It's a gift. Given. Now here, all we do is we mark it off. AB congruent to CB. Now if I look at that one statement gave us a side, so S. Now, our fourth statement. Now here we used up all our puzzle pieces. Now we have to look at our picture and think. So this is an old property move. If you ever have a hard time figuring out which property we can use next, if we look at my proof, I want to prove that this triangle CBD is congruent to ABD. If I look at both of them, they have one thing in common, and that is this side, BD. We're going to put an X there. So we're going to say BD is congruent to line BD. And I really hope all you guys remember the reason because reflexive property. Now, this property, reflexive property, this is when you will see it all the time. 99.9% of the time it is like this. It means it's equal to itself. It's on top of itself. So that gave us a side. Now, we may not have any of this bad language in math, but if I look at my picture, there is a flow. We have a side and angle side for this triangle. Then we have a side, angle, side. There is a flow. Math flows. So, my last statement, it's saying triangle CBD is congruent to triangle. I'm not even looking where I'm writing ABD. And my reason for it is because of the flow. Sad, angle, sad. Sad, angle, sad. Sad, angle, sad. And here, this could also help us when we wrote down these little letters, A, S, S. Yes, that spells a bad word. But that means I have two sides and an angle, which is sad, angle, sad. And you are done. So I always love to put a little smiley face because that means we're done with the proof. That is it, boys and girls. If you have any more questions about these proofs, oh, my nose is running. This is very attractive. We will learn about these, and yes, they are hard, and yes, they are complicated, but you could do it. Just take your time. You got this. Enjoy.